Okay, so this next piece, Firework by Katy Perry. And your right hand you're going to have on D, and it's going to go up an octave to the next D. So your thumb will be here on this D, and then right after you're going to go up, and then you'll be in like a G position. Okay? So here's the first note. Play it with me. D. Next note, D. And you're just going to go down, C, B, A, 2, 3, then do it again, 2, 3, 1. So that right hand part, you're really only moving just from the beginning. Then you can kind of stay in one area, and then it happens one more time. Okay? All right, the left hand part, you have a G and a D together, the first measure. Then you're going to move up a key to the right to A and E. Then you're going to move down 1, 2, 3 keys to E and B. Then down another couple of keys to C and G. So that's 4 measures that repeats, and then you're going to do it again. Okay. All right, let's put both hands together slowly. I'll give you 1, 2, and then you're going to come in on the upbeat of 2. 1 and 2.